Presenting the Chevrolet 2019 Colorado LT Crew Cab Pickup. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include Colorado Res Special Edition, Heavy-Duty Trailering Package, LT Convenience Package, Preferred Equipment Group 2 LT, RST Luxury Special Edition Package, Safety Package, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system feature and AM/FM radio, Sirius XM. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.